In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on focus mode in chess.com. If you've ever felt distracted by ratings, chats, and extra panels during a tense game, this quick tip will give you a clean, distraction-free board so you can concentrate on the moves that matter. Focus mode on chess.com is essentially an expanded view of your board that hides the visual clutter without changing how you play. You'll still have your pieces, clock, and essential controls, but the unnecessary elements step out of the way. Start by moving your mouse directly over the chessboard. This hover action is important because certain controls appear only when your cursor is on the board itself. Once your cursor is there, look toward the top right area of the board interface. You'll notice a small settings gear, and nearby an icon that looks like 4 arrows pointing outward. That 4 arrows expansion icon is the switch you need. Go ahead and click the 4 arrows icon. Instantly, the board will expand and the surrounding distractions like ratings, chats, and other side panels will be tucked away. What you get is a larger, cleaner board, which can make it easier to visualize tactics and calculate without your eyes drifting to non-essential information. Everything fundamental to playing remains right where you expect it, so there's no relearning or setup required. A quick tip, if you don't see the icon right away, make sure your mouse is actually hovering over the board and not just near it. Depending on your screen size or browser zoom, elements may feel slightly shifted, but the 4 arrows icon will still be close to the settings gear in the top right area of the board. Also, make sure you're on an active board view, such as a live game or analysis position, as that's where the control appears. While you're in focus mode, play as you normally would. Your moves, pre-moves, and time management remain unchanged. The benefit is purely visual, fewer on-screen temptations, and a larger board to help you stay locked in. Many players find this especially helpful in time scrambles and complex middle games where clarity is everything. When you're ready to return to the regular layout, simply click the X in the corner of the expanded view. That closes focus mode and brings all your usual panels back just as you left them. Nothing is lost. You're simply toggling between a streamlined experience and the full interface. And that's it. With one click, you can switch to a cleaner, more focused board and elevate your concentration right when it counts.